Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through some major talking points and features of this stunning Snapper Rocks Blue 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. Then of course I'll go around, I will take a seat inside the car and just go a bit more in depth on the interior features. So as you can see there, it is a 2018 18 plate, and as I've mentioned, it is presented in the Snapper Rocks Blue. Alongside that, this vehicle we fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, alongside having the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit grey. All the way around you'll find the tyres are the premium mixed run flats, and they are all in good condition as well. So the front facelifted headlights now consist of the LED projectors and angel eyes. Down the side of the vehicle we've got the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. If you've not yet already noticed, sitting behind the very nice alloy wheels, this vehicle also comes with BMW's M Sport Plus pack, so we get the much larger front and rear M Sport Plus brakes, the sun protection glazing and a few other options, all of which I'll point out very shortly. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, which on this car we've got the very nice black Dakota leather, which comes not only with the heated option as part of that Plus pack, it comes with electric movement and memory for driver's side. There again, as part of the Plus pack, we've got that superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. Again, everything on the interior is very nice, clean and tidy and very well presented. And we will of course move around now towards the rear seats, where for the 4 Series Gran Coupe you get a very nice spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench and centre folding armrest. And of course, being an M Sport model, we get the superb darkened M Sport headline, and as you can see there, once again all in very nice condition. Before heading round to the very rear of the car, again I'm just going to show you off the very nice condition of the wheels. So another addition for the facelift was of course these very nice sharpened LED rear lights. Alongside being the 435D, of course, that means you get that X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. We've added the gloss black rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler. I'll open up the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which of course reveals that exceptionally large boot space. And although we do of course have that 4-wheel drive system on board, that does not eat into any of the luggage compartment or even any of the passenger compartment, which is of course always a very big positive when you are looking to purchase a vehicle that falls into this category. Round onto the other side, again you'll be able to see just how nicely presented this Snapper Rocks blue colour really works very nicely. And again, thanks to the sun shining through, you'll be able to see how well it really does work and how much of a metallic shine it does have to it. So again, one last take at the alloy wheels before I go on inside, because however this vehicle is a very special looking vehicle on the exterior, there is yet very much more special things on the interior. So now I'm sat very comfortably, I'll go ahead and start the car up and we'll run you through a couple of the features on the professional wide navigation and media. Since it's situated up there already, we'll go through a couple of the service items and service requirements. Being that this is a very low mileage vehicle, it has only covered just over 20,000 miles, as you can see there. The next service is not due for 6,000 miles time, and it has had a service at BMW for its first service, where it had it at 12,185, which would have been done just because of the timing, not for the mileage. The service intervals on the BMWs are every 20,000 miles or every 2 years. Going down here, you've got your dual climate control, alongside where you'll find these switches for the lovely heated seats. We have of course also got the 8-speed automatic gearbox with cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls and the flappy paddles on that multi-function M Sport steering wheel. Running through again just a couple of features of that screen. There you go, I've pulled up the navigation function, which is definitely one of the most user-friendly systems on the market. It also has real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. In terms of your Bluetooth connections, you've got connections for telephone and audio, and your multimedia gives you a wide array, including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB. Going back to the very main menu, this vehicle also has the option ticked for Connected Drive Plus. Connected Drive Plus is a very useful feature from BMW, giving you access to online search, news and weather functions, all powered via Google and utilising the vehicle's own onboard 4G network. So it doesn't use any of your own data, even when you've got a device connected to it. and this also allows the vehicle to talk to BMW's Connected Drive home base, also allowing for updates to be carried out on the system remotely, which again can mean lots of things, i.e. map updates without having to visit BMW, and also keeping this system running as quick as possible all of the time, much like your software updates on your mobile devices, very similar to that. Okay, so with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. You will of course also find all of the relevant contact information and website links in the description. From there you'll be able to view the car of course on our website and find out a little bit more detail in terms of funding options and prices. Hopefully this will aid in making an informed purchasing decision upon your next car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. We do, although, hope to see yourselves very soon. Take care and goodbye.